Hi, welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic in which we discuss that how you can make money online from Reddit. Yes, the Reddit is one of the most famous search engine basically located in USA in which billion of traffic visit every day. Yes, if we should look at the front page of the internet, basically Reddit is called the front page of internet, and you can see here that how much traffic they are generating every month. Almost 112 millions organic keywords they have, and in which almost 80% of the traffic belongs to USA, and in which at least 70 plus percentage of traffic belongs to men. Yes, this is mostly a very famous social media platform for men. Yes, you can earn a very good amount of earning from Reddit as well. So in this video we are going to discuss those things and those factors through which you can earn a very good amount of earning. Let's start with Reddit. Reddit is basically a network of communities based on individual interests in which every individual search their interest and find those subreddits which are most suitable to them. Find communities you are eager about and become the part of the internet community and the most busy community you have ever. I am certain that there has to be subreddits to place creating wealth on Reddit is possible. In this article and in this video you are going to learn that how you can make money from Reddit and earn cash online. So let's start with the Reddit. Is Reddit basically is made of bunch of subreddits on nearly each category and matter you possibly can think. You will find a subreddit on that. To discover them, you can easily search Reddit itself or go to reddit.com/r and slash your topic. You can write on your topic any name which is basically interest of you, and you will find a subreddit possibly on that. Like if you see in example reddit.com/r music is the subreddit in which music is the basic interest of the people are searching for, and they are following that subreddit. First of all, when you start with Reddit, you possibly need to be registered with an account and to confirm your email address, and you will start seeing results on Reddit. Now let's move to another part. Yes, this is the most interesting part on which you are looking for making money on Reddit. It is tremendous simple to make use of Reddit as a greater than a social media or information website. Knowing the best subreddits to subscribe and to search for them, and you will make easily $100 very quickly in days. Yes, it is possible, and you are going to learn, and you are going to see the live demos in which you will see that how you can earn money from Reddit. There is not any direct technique to earn cash from Reddit. Yes, it is clear, and as talked about earlier, you need to use this platform to search out the alternatives or develop your personal enterprises over here. On Reddit, you possibly can give attention to the different subreddits, and you can earn a very good amount from them, as well as you can see the promotion of the services and the different social media websites, and you can find the websites related to your website and you can easily earn through them. There are different techniques and you will see in this video that in which techniques you are going to earn from Reddit. So first of all, we are going to move with Bear Money. Yes, Bear Money is the one of the most famous subreddit on Reddit through which you can earn very quickly and you can earn easily a very handsome amount of earning. So first of all, if you see on this side, you will see that 786 lakh members they have, and this is the most famous Reddit for earning money. This subreddit basically is going very hot and very good for newbies to get very good and handsome amount. So let's see next slide and you will see that how you can earn money from the subreddit Bear Money. So first of all, you can participate in online surveys. Yes, online surveys is the most commonly method in which you can earn a very good amount of earning. On the subreddit Bear Money, you have a very good opportunities to follow the different online surveys and complete those surveys, and you will start getting amount for those surveys, and you have a very good opportunity with zero background, and you can start earning a very good amount through putting different online surveys and completing them. The next method is very easy method in which we are going to discuss completing short tasks. Yes, in this Bear Money, different people upload and post different type of short tasks in which they ask the people they can participate in those tasks and start getting money from those tasks. These are very easy tasks, and with zero knowledge you can earn a very good amount by completing these tasks. The third option is writing the product opinions. Yes, as it is very famous method to write something about the different products, and you will start getting very huge amount of earning. A different type of organization and enterprises organization post their products and ask you to write for them about the opinions of the different products, and you will see that they are going to pay you very healthy and strong amount of earning for these product opinions. Now let's move to other things that you will discover these and lots of different income generating alternatives floating around the varied subreddits. However, we think that Bear Money is the very famous and the greatest forum on subreddit that is providing very huge amount and very huge opportunities to you to earn a very handsome amount. On this forum, you possibly can be the part of the discussion of the Where website and money making alternative websites that you are not well aware about them. And with these individuals who making a lot of hundreds of dollars each month, you can perform tasks on this Reddit and you can also earn from them.